Hey guys, so I'm gonna actually unbox my Boxycharm today. Normally I've been doing it just where I just show the products, I'm not on screen or anything, but I wanted to do this just because it's easier for me to take it out and show it. And I actually looked already at these boxes and it's amazing the stuff that I got. So I want to do that really quickly. I'm moving at the moment, so it's just the background is kind of weird and stuff, just against a wall. But I want to do this because this month there's actually two Boxycharms. So there's the premium one and then the normal one. Even the normal one is different because the price went up, so they're saying you're going to get better gifts and stuff like that. So I want to get in really fast and do this. So this is what the original looks like. So it's $25. Again, as I said, they're just saying that there's like better quality and stuff like that. I think it's still the same amount of stuff, but just more value and stuff. So the first thing is the little card, and this tells you everything that's in it. There is a coupon for Dragon Beauty and Natasha Denona. I think that's for both boxes. I'll look in a little while at the bigger one, but I think it's just the same card, and then it just tells you all the prices. So another thing this month is that they're giving these little samples. So this is for a concealer, Pretty Vulgar. They're gonna match your skin tone, and so hopefully in boxes we'll be getting foundations and concealers. So I know once you kind of try these out, you can go on and do like the quiz that they have. So I'm excited to try that one. Obviously I will be the lightest shade, so that's cool. It'll be good to get foundations and concealers because I never see them in subscription boxes. So the first thing I'm so excited about are these little packets. So they're called Starry Eye. They're little eye masks, but I just read really quickly. You put it on and it goes like behind your ears, and then it warms up, and it says warms up in 30 seconds and then that it will stay warm for 20 minutes. So that is really cool. I'm excited. As I said, I'm moving, so it's kind of stressful, but I am definitely happy. And they gave two, which is awesome. I think the price is $10 for those. So let me look. Oh, I have the wrong card. This card is for the other, but I'm like, why is that none of this stuff? Okay, it's the exact same card. So basically, yeah, because I even confused them. So that is $10, yeah, for those ones. So that is cool. The next one is Dose of Colors. I was so excited when I saw the sneak peek. They have a few different shades. Again, I am not wearing makeup or anything like that, and I'm not planning on for the day. So this is what it comes in. And they did have like a pink one, which I thought was really cute. I think a brown one, and then two other ones, which are the red. I'm gonna swatch this. It's nice for fall and stuff. That is really pretty. So I will definitely try that out. I don't know if I tried Dose of Colors lipsticks before. I don't think I have. So I was excited to get that. The next thing, and I'm gonna go through these like really fast. I think this is Cyprus. I want to say Cyprus, but that would be a C. This is one that I got to choose. So it's a serum. So it looks like this. I already put this on really fast because my skin is so dry. So it's just like a little dropper. And straight away, I felt like it was hydrated. So that is awesome. You can use it day and night. This is really expensive. Let me have a check. It is $90. So that was really good. Again, I got to try that one. I think other people got like an eye thing from Juice Beauty. But I have a lot of eye creams and stuff, so I didn't want to try that. And then this one is by Farsali. It's like a gold skin mist. This is, you'll see in the other box, there are brushes. If you were getting the premium, I think you weren't going to get brushes in the normal one, so you got this instead. It looks so cute. So it has just little gold particles. I haven't tried it out yet. I hope it doesn't like go gold on the skin. I don't think it would, but hopefully not. So that is really cute. Again, let me see how much that is. $39 for that. So this box is like such a good value. Then the last thing is this Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder eyeshadow. I have never used her products before, but I've heard they're really good. Every month I seem to get so this is what it looks like, an eyeshadow palette. I'm kind of a bit bored by them. Like this one, it's really nice, but a few of the colors I wouldn't use. This looks really pretty, and like maybe the brown, sorry, this shade is a little bit weird. The pink and the blue, I just don't think I would use them, but it's still nice. It is $35, so it's nice. I just feel like they keep sending palettes. This again, I think it's like a collaboration with Boxycharm, so you can only get it. This one in this, I think she has another one with the same name, but there's like more shades or something like that, but this is for the Boxycharm. So Really happy. And again, $35, so that is really good. So that is what the original box looks like. I am so happy. Even if I didn't get the other box, I would have been really happy with the original one. Again, the price has gone up a little bit, but definitely if it's going to continue like this, it is worth it because they're really good products. So this is the one that I confused earlier. This is going to be the premium box. So you'll see the size. It is huge. So there we go. Again, I'm going to go through this one really fast. I have seen loads of unboxings and I think everybody got the same, but it's just to show you as well. So this one is $35, which it's a lot. I wouldn't be keeping both of them for very long, but the only problem is this one you had to have both. I also do Boxy Luxe, and in order to have that, you have to have the original one. So I don't know how I'm going to kind of do it. I don't think I want like all three at once, but I will see how it goes. The premium, I want to give it another month just because this is the first month. So we're going to try it out a few times. So again, I'm just going to make sure this is the right card. Yeah. So the first thing is the reason why I wanted the box. This is Natasha Denona. It's a blush and highlight palette. It's worth $55. Her stuff is so expensive. I have two eyeshadows and they're literally like single ones because I got them in subscription boxes. I've never bought one of her big palettes. They're so expensive. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, this is easier. So here we go. This is a really dark shade, but I think if I use it really lightly, it'll be really nice for fall. Let me just swatch. Of course, the back of my hand is, I guess the dust of color kind of smudged everywhere. So it's really pigmented. Again, I will just have to do really lightly with the darker one, but super cute. I'm so excited that I got that. Again, once I saw that was going to be in the premium, I wanted to get it straight away. I think they had sent out an email and you went on the wait list and stuff like that. I got off it like this month, which is awesome. I know a lot of people didn't. Hopefully for December, it'll be opened up to more people, and hopefully the boxes will be different as well, just because of variety. The next thing is by Kopari. So it is Rose and Coconut Toner. I don't like rose stuff for my face. It kind of breaks me out a lot, but I want to try this out still. It smells so good. I gave a little spray on my face just to kind of test her. And so far so good. Obviously I'm not wearing makeup or anything, but hopefully it's not going to break me out or anything. Again, this is a really good size, full size. I think all the products are full size with Boxycharm. Anyway, the price on that is $25. I've used some of their other products and I really like them. So again, a really good brand to get. So next up is these brushes by Boxycharm. So there's 5 in it. Again, if you were just getting the original box, you would have gotten, I think it was a set of 2 or 3 brushes. But if you're getting the premium, I think they were making sure that you didn't double up on it. So to show you, this is what they kind of look like. They're super soft. The handle seems really cool as well. So I am definitely going to be trying these out at the weekend. To show you a couple of them. Really cute. So I said there's 5 in there. There's like an eyeshadow one. I think there's one that's maybe for liner. Let me see, it looks kind of different. Yeah, this one. So I think you could use this for liner. And then the others are kind of fake brushes and stuff. So that's really exciting. I do want to try them out. They're saying that this is worth $65. So again, this is Boxycharm have their new brushes out. The next product, I couldn't believe the price on this. So this is QMS. It's an eye cream. What size? 17 mil. It is $150. So I'm excited. I have a few eye things already, which is why I didn't choose the Juice Beauty one for the original one, but I was excited to have this and I'm definitely going to try it out once the other ones kind of run out and stuff, because it's really expensive. So I want to see if it's worth the money. I haven't heard of this brand before, QMS. So I don't know if it's worth that money, but I'm definitely going to try that out. Another product is Becca. This is like it's a champagne cream. It's a lip gloss. I think it's like a gold one. Let me take it out. I'll swatch it on the other hand. This is what it looks like. I get that it's fall coming into Christmas. I just felt like it was a little bit boring, but let me swatch it and see. Yeah, it's practically, you can't see. So it's sheer, just a little bit of color to it. I wasn't really excited to see this. I feel like it's just okay. I'll definitely try it out and stuff, but I was way more excited to see the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick. So just a gloss again. You can see a little bit of color on it. Not the most exciting thing. And then the last thing is by Dragon Beauty. So when I first saw that this was going to be in the box, I was like, oh, I won't use it. But then I saw on Boxycharm's Instagram stories, there was a guy showing how to use it. And I think I was just like a little bit afraid because I was like, I don't know how to even use that. So this is what it looks like. And sometimes I feel like people put too much on and you can see it. But he showed you use a very little bit and then you blend it in with the brush and then put your concealer on top of it. So I am going to try it out. Once I saw that video, I was a little bit more excited by it. So she has a few products that launched. I haven't gotten any so far, but I was excited to see and try this out and see what her products. So it's Nikita Dragon's brand, if you didn't know. So again, you just put very little on and blend it in and then put your concealer over it. So I will definitely be trying that out. And so that was everything that's in the premium box. As I said, I think everybody got the same, which hopefully they'll change it up, make it a bit different. That's what I like the original one. Even when I'm watching unboxings, I don't know what I'm getting, so it's just a surprise. I haven't seen anybody who's gotten the same box as me so far, so I don't know. I was really happy with mine. So those are both boxes. As I said, I'm going to give the premium another try just to see what next month is like. I really like Boxy Luxe, so I want to keep the original one so I can get that. I don't know if they're going to change it up so that you can maybe just get Boxy Luxe and the premium. I don't know yet, but so far, really good products. I was so happy with the original though. I feel like that stuff I actually preferred. Now, I really happy with the Natasha Denona and the eye mask, and I'm definitely going to try this out and see because it is so expensive. So hopefully that'll do wonders and that stuff will be good. But so that is the unboxing. Again, I just wanted to do it. Normally I'm doing ones where I just show the products, but I wanted to be actually able to open everything and show you properly. Leave a comment down below if you got a box, if you're getting premium, if you're on the wait list, and let me know what you thought of these products. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.